In this video I'm going to show you how to log into WhatsApp Web without using a QR code. First, go ahead and open the WhatsApp app on your Android or iPhone. Once you're inside, tap on three dot. Now look for linked devices and tap on it. Here you'll see the option to link a device. Tap on link a device to continue. Normally WhatsApp asks you to scan a QR code, but we're not going to use that method. Instead, go to your computer and open a browser. Then visit the official WhatsApp Web website. On the login screen you'll see a QR code, but look for the option that says login with phone number. Click on that option. Now enter your WhatsApp phone number. After that you'll receive a verification code inside WhatsApp Web. Open WhatsApp on your phone and enter that code on your phone. Once you do that, your WhatsApp will be logged in on your computer without using a QR code. And that's it. That's how you log into WhatsApp Web without a QR code. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips.